I can make a person that nobody knows in gacha online. This is actually real. Nobody knows this character, so let's get it over with. So shirt 7, pants 1, sleeves 17, pants 1, jacket 2, glove 3, shoe 10. Ignore what is hearing in the background. That's something else for my sister. Okay, now 12 real front hair, 758. Real hair, 987. Scarf 5. Eyes 78. Pupils 999. Eyebrows 2. Mouth 12. 1200 306. That's it. So no back hair, back hair, back hair. Back hair. Back hair, 1200 490. 90. Here's the color for skin. Hair. Eyes color. Green. I think I said it. This color for jacket and sleeves. Shoes 10. And here's the color for that. Finished.